couldn't resist having a look inside. I've been here for years and haven't seen it. What's for lunch?
Nothing.
But you're going to bring a basket. Hey, what's up?
Susan's dead. I just spoke to Fiona on the phone.
You're kidding. When?
A couple of days ago. Suicide. Apparently, Wayne drove her too far. She just couldn't take it any longer.
Caroline?
Hey, Susan! 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 She's gone. I must have scared her off.
Susan?
Yes, she was here.
Caroline, you've had a nasty shock.
I saw her. I am not imagining
Look,
things.
sometimes our minds play tricks on us and we see things that just aren't there. When something happens we don't want to accept.
But she was really here. Maybe she wasn't. Maybe it was someone who just looked like her.
Let's go home.